Hey everybody, it's Kira
and Willow,
and we are the Sizzle Sisters. So yeah, this is the Sizzle Sisters here, and we're gonna be doing the ingredient challenge. So basically, we're gonna take a couple pieces of paper, as much as you need, and we're gonna take 6 ingredients and label them. So yeah. Ow. For this, we're gonna know what they are, but we're just gonna mix the labels up, and we might be blindfolded. So I'm gonna turn the light on. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna. We have 6. So I'm just gonna want to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you grabbed extra pieces of paper, make sure to put them back where you found them. And if you still have paper left over from the other one, then don't, I guess, just reuse it after. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. So, I'm gonna be kind of blind. No, wait, let me get.
I think I can try. I know I can trust you.
Yeah, but. Okay, so I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna pick 3 random ingredients. Okay. Wait, it can't be like. I can't do this. I can't wear that. One. 2. 3.
No.
Okay. So, Willow, I'm not allowed to see what ones I did, so get 3 labels and label them. No, just remember what ones you did, okay?
What?
Just label them 1, 2, 3, not with the paper. I need the paper.
Oh.
Okay?
So do I write on the back of them?
Sure, but you're gonna have to get more paper.
No, I'm just gonna write the things that are on the back.
You can't. No, I need the paper to be put in here.
I know it's on.
Oh,
when
okay.
You pick it.
Oh, wait. And then 1, 2, 3, put them in the bowl. Is it still going, the video? So we're going to pause this.
Pick a new one.
Okay, so I'm going to pick... Fold them out. I'm going to pick something, and Willow's going to put a tiny bit in there.
I like it.
3. So now I can't look. And then put it back wherever I got it, which was the fridge. Tiny bits, Willow.
Okay.
Okay, and then tell me when you're done so I can pick the next one.
Not done.
Hurry up. I really hope I did not pick hot sauce.
I'm done.
Okay. I really hope I did not pick hot sauce. I will cry. 2.
Oh yeah.
And then 1. So just put 2 and then 1. Wait, did you throw 1, 2, and 3 away?
Wait, I need to know what's on. Actually, no, you can throw them away.
And then,
Hey, don't look.
I know. But I'm not looking at what's on the counter either.
Oh, that looks disgusting. It's disgusting but good.
Okay, are you almost done?
No.
Well, hurry up. I'm going to pause it.
No. Almost.
Not now.
Almost.
Now?
Wait.
Hurry up.
It's new, so I'm putting.
No, if it's new, don't get it, and I'll give you a new one.
I know I already did it.
Oh, okay. Don't put a lot of it. Okay, did you put all 3?
No.
Oh.
No, I really didn't.
Oh, we have to hurry this up because it's not
Okay, Kira, I'm ready. Just don't milk because he spilled something. I want you to guess what
I
it
don't
is.
even. It's milk.
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's different. It's definitely not ugly milk. I hate milk and it would.
There's something brown in it.
You gotta eat it.
Wait, let me show the camera. Look.
I want some. Can I have some?
No, not yet.
But I like it. Tastes
My friend Nikki wanted to
Ew.
order 31.
Okay.
So I had to like get
coffee
that's why I
creamer.
had to use her computer because she's like, oh,
Coffee creamer. That's what I need.
so I had to go on and then
What?
well, the shipping's
Can I have
$10. So I had to
Well, it's
contact
awfully
my lady
liquidy,
in the
so I'm
front,
gonna
and
guess
she's like,
water.
Well, hurry up and just go. Like, I
Is there water?
Yeah.
And it's brown and sticky, so syrup.
So it
Yeah.
saves her $4 shipping.
Okay, can I have some?
I don't care.
You have to eat it.
No, I don't have
How
to.
about those about-
So you had to.
Oh, this is new.
new.
Did you use it?
You put on your blindfold. I need a blindfold.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. Oh, that's going on YouTube.
Mommy, we're the Sizzle Sisters.
Here, open that.
Huh?
Open it.
Oh, yeah. So now I have to pick 3.
Yeah,
For what?
they're in my pantry.
Wait a second, Willow.
Here. What? I love you, Mama.
Okay.
I love you, Mama.
Okay, next one. Okay. Open.
Oh, yeah.
Are you cheating?
No.
Okay, pick one. And here, I'll open
Yeah, I'll
that
buy
too.
more.
I've
I'm just gonna
opened.
wait till they're on sale.
No, if you touch it, you have to grab it.
You did right when you
Yes, I did. I'm gonna put them in my thing.
Okay.
No, we can't. That's new. So don't. And if it's the one we
Alright.
already did, then I'm not. No, we can't do that. We can't do that one either. Pick out of the shelf. We already did that one.
What do you mean?
We can do that one for sure. Okay, so let me grab. Okay,
Yeah.
go somewhere else. Well, there's no point of picking, so I'm just gonna put
I
3
hate,
ingredients in there. Go.
I don't like the thing that's on your computer.
Willow, don't look.
I like
Don't
just,
look. Go away.
What do I have?
So this is the first one. Not done yet, so don't look.
Like, I want my Microsoft
so
Word,
the rest
but I
are
also don't want to spend over, like, don't tell him 150, but if he's going to be like, oh, it's $200 or
Disgusting.
$300.
don't come or don't look. No, you can't come. Go away. I didn't call
Yeah,
you
if my
yet.
computer's, like,
I only have
totally
one more.
screwed, then, you know.
Go away. Don't look.
When I had it fixed before, it was, like, around $80, so that's what I'm expecting
Almost. I have to mix them up so they don't look like
100,
anything.
140. You start getting over 150 or 200, it's
Yep.
not like that.
Okay, you can't smell it.
I don't know, just call me before you make any decision.
Oh, that's like diarrhea.
Do you want me to feed it to you?
I don't know how they charge.
Oh, I don't have
you
to
know.
eat it.
Yes, you do. You have to at least
Oh, but I wanted
take a little bit
the,
because that's what I did. No, you can't
Windows to be
smell it.
authentic.
You gotta
I
plug
don't
your
want
nose.
it to be
Hot
like
sauce,
green.
stop. Hot
You
sauce.
smelt it. That's
Hot
why.
sauce jelly, because I can
Okay,
jelly.
now you have to taste it.
It's hot sauce with jelly?
What is it?
Yep,
What
there's
did
one
he say?
more.
ketchup?
Mm-mm.
Well, what is?
Barbecue sauce.
I don't have to taste.
Yes,
You
you have
didn't taste
yeah,
yours.
yeah, I want like that. Just lick it a little bit, please. Just for the Sizzle Sisters.
I'm doing it for you guys.
Once he told me he was on vacation, I didn't even let him know I had an appointment or anything. You know, I was like, well, just let
Did
him
you
be.
actually do it? No. So I need to see you lick it. Lick it, yep. No, go
You might
spit
be
in the
back by now.
bathroom. No, you can't spit in there.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.